All right, problem 1033. Your teacher will lead you through a demonstration about the volume of a cone. All right, so that didn't happen, but the demonstration that we would have leaded you through in class was just like that YouTube video in the slide. So make sure for these problems to fully understand, you're going to have to go into those Google Slides that are given in the classwork that was given on Google Classroom today. So to fully understand, you want to make sure you're in the Google Slides and looking at those. All right, so we know after watching the video that 3 cones will fit into a cylinder, of course, if they have the same diameter and the same height. So for part A, they want to know, how are the radius and height of each cone related to the radius and height of each corresponding cylinder? Well, they are equal. That's all we have to say. All right, let's look at letter B. Sketch each cone and cylinder on your paper and estimate which one will have a greater volume. All right, here we go. I've got to give myself some room here. So we have our cone and we have our cylinder. Now remember, both have the same height and diameter. And I'm going to say, well, the cylinder will have a greater volume. Remember, volume just means how much we can fit inside of each of those figures. C, how many cones full of rice were needed to fill each corresponding cylinder? So, basically they're asking, well, how many cones fit into the cylinder? It is 3. So 3 cones fit into that cylinder. Now keep in mind this only works when they have the same diameter and the same height. Okay, finally part D. Based on the demonstration, and of course this demonstration is coming from the YouTube video posted in the slide, describe how the volume of a cone compares to the volume of a cylinder when their heights and base areas are equal. All right, so we mentioned that a few times already, but when the height and the area of the base are equal, the volume of the cone is 1/3 the volume of the cylinder. All right, and that is all for this one.